All these weapons come from the Balkans, especially from Serbia. Their traffic feeds into French crime. They were even used for the terrorist attacks at the Bataclan in Paris. I wanted to go back to the source and approach these traffickers who operate in the heart of Europe. They are one aspect of the Serbian mafia. In Serbia, organized crime is all-powerful. In addition to arms trafficking, there is also drugs, racketeering, robberies. Here, gangsters have always had incestuous ties with the state. One man symbolizes this union, Arkan, mafioso and warlord in Bosnia and Croatia. Today, his heirs reign over the organized crime network. Welcome to Serbia, the black hole of Europe.
Pourquoi je u tom dvojivu stane?
Najviše ima kriminalaca među navijačima zato što su navijači zaštićeni od strane države. Za uzvrat navijači i pružaju neke usluge kao što su tipa obezbeđenje nekih skupova, javnih manifestacija, javnih skupova, mitinga političkih, ali mi to radimo u civilu. Znači da se ne zna da smo mi tu, ne radimo, ne zna se niko, ne zna se ko je navijač, ko nije, ali smo tu ukoliko neko hoće da pravi nered ili skandira opet protiv vlasti, mi tu reagujemo.
In May 2017, during the inauguration of the new Serbian president, Aleksandar Vučić, protesters and journalists are assaulted and evacuated with military aid by men in plain clothes. The attackers are then identified as fans linked to organized crime. The hooligans' role is exposed.
Si je comprends bien, les criminels ils sont intéressés pour rejoindre les supporters parce que l'État fait des affaires avec les supporters.
Tako je, to je 100%, 100%. It's like this. It is, to je najsigurniji način da budete abolirani od nečeg što radite loše. Nešto što radite loše.